Hey folks, Don Conveca here on a Saturday evening, running a little behind schedule. So I'm just going to do you a quick little weathercast here. Looking at the tower cam, already dark, so can't really see the clouds too well. A little reflection of the light off the low clouds there here in Alexandria. We've been seeing some rain up toward Natchitoches. In fact, looking at a little band of rain continuing all the way into southeast Texas on the other side of Houston, all the way up into portion into the Tennessee Valley. So you get to say, that's a cold front or front. Yeah, it's a front, it's a boundary. Let's get a little closer look at this, and we can see. I'll put this in motion for about the last hour. There's a little bit of training going on. This is kind of moving over the same general area. There's a stalemate. This front is trying to come in, but it's being prevented from doing so by a little high pressure leftover to the south and to the east of this band. And that's kind of the thing, kind of the pattern that I was expecting for today. So there could be, in this place, there could be a little locally heavy rainfall. There's no big storms or anything like that, but it can add up. I wouldn't be surprised to see somebody get an inch of rain or so out of that deal back up in that direction. So let's check out and see what's going to happen afterwards. There, here's the front to the west of us. Surface low to the north, and that's one of the things too. This is pulling to the northeast instead of moving down to the south or east. So the energy is moving away from us, and it's going to leave this front hanging, I think. So I don't look for this front to come through, but ahead of it, you get this active weather develop along the front, and that kind of outruns it to the east, and that's what we're looking at right here. In the Corn Belt, a little winter storm developing, and then more action out to the west. We'll see that in our 7-day forecast. Checking out your futurecast here through 8 o'clock this evening, we'll see some hit and miss showers. If you've got some entertainment or some errands to do, some shopping or whatever, if you've got hit and miss kind of stuff, this not quite as organized with the band, but kind of tells you the truth. And likewise, hit and miss showers, remainder of the nighttime. Again, no big storms or no severe weather or anything like that. And then once we get to church in the morning, on our way by mid-morning, we'll see most of the rain chances have retreated to the north of us out of central Louisiana. And by evening, back for the evening service or something, we've got maybe a few stray showers, but less coverage than we'll have overnight and early Sunday morning. Back to work on Monday and school for many areas. So we've got mostly clouds at that time. We'll see a rain chance, though, later on in the day with the front coming in toward us at that particular time. But that front doesn't appear like it will make it now. So I did have a front in that Monday, Tuesday time frame. Well, don't have it anymore because it looks like it's not going to make it here. But at least ahead of it, it'll get close enough to us to the west and north to bring us some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms on Monday. But look at these temperatures way above the norm. We should be about 40 to 60. So you can see how far above normal we are. So this is a pretty good warm spell. It's going to continue through Wednesday when we do get a front coming through the area. This is a stronger front. This one will come through, no doubt about this. Scattered showers and a few thunderstorms with that coming through. Don't look for anything heavy or severe with that. The heavy rain potential will be limited by the speed of movement of this thing. Very progressive type system. It's going to blast through. And then by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we'll see some chilly weather setting in. So warm through midweek, and then a chill sets in the latter part of the week and last into Saturday. In fact, I've got a little reinforcing front coming in out, a little bit of a backdoor kind of front, but it's carrying some cold air. Notice the temperature drop from Friday on both sides of the thermometer with that, and it may even be colder than 33 as we head into Sunday morning. So we'll have that forecast for you tomorrow. Otherwise, Nick will see you tomorrow, and I'll be in the forecast center trying to work up some details for your Christmas forecast. Speaking of that, here in general, above normal, a big dominant area of warmer than normal temperatures occurring through the 22nd to the 28th of December, which is kind of Christmas week there. And we are in that near normal over toward the east. What about precipitation? What about rainfall? Well, below normal across a good part of the country, and the northwest we're near normal to above normal in that direction. And there's a little area right in here above normal in the Rio Grande Valley, all up in toward the San Antonio, Austin areas, and then near normal stretching toward the northeast from there. So some of our western parishes over there bordering the Sabine River, or in that little sliver. We're in the lean below. So as I kept saying, I don't see any major weather systems during the Christmas week time frame. No crazy temperature swings or anything like that. So, but I'll try to maybe put some details to it when I work on the forecast tomorrow. So until then, Nick Mickens will see you then, and I will be in the forecast center. Take care and have a blessed Sunday.